How's it going, everybody? Steven from Break Free Homestead. Today's video is going to be about my Ariens Deluxe 30 snowblower. I'm finally off during the day. We got a perfect snow. Show you. We're definitely gonna have some snowball fights later. It's like not too icy, not too light. So I figured why not make a video about it right now, how it works. All right, here's my unit. Picked it up last winter, so about a year with it. It's done really well. It's a little dirty right now, but don't mind that. Haven't broken any shear pins. Granted, I am on a paved driveway. The only thing that's came loose, I think this holder for the chute came loose one time, just had to tighten that up. Probably just wasn't tight enough from the factory and the vibrations got the best of it. But one thing I really like about this is that you're not using triggers down here to turn. It's just an auto turn. You just move it and it'll go the direction. The wheels will figure it out. That's engineer stuff, not my expertise, but it's nice not to have to operate another handle, you know, along with the speed and the controls for the chute. Typically it takes me about 45 minutes to snow blow all the paths in my yard, and we get about 2 snow blows with each gas tank. I just fill it up every time, but if I'm feeling lazy, I can get 2 out of it. Another nice thing is that it has the heated grips. Definitely, you know, it's 34 degrees out here right now. We'll take care of the snow. No gloves, just get the warm grips going. It'll be all nice. All the controls are super simple. Obviously, just hit it start. Turtle is where you want it to start, so less RPMs. Hit the pump a few times. Turn it on. Make sure your gas is on. And then you just give it 1 pull and she'll start. If you have it on, if you have it on start. There we go. All right, the driveway's looking really good so far. If the snow would be like this every single time it snowed, I would love it. But unfortunately, we get all that ice sometimes, and it's just not the best. Time to move the cars and finish this thing up. All right, that's it for the cleanup right now. Thing's definitely a mint machine. I got mine at Lowe's. I think it was a return. So I had a few dollars off. I got it for $9.95. They let me stack the military discount on top, which was super nice of them. But yeah, definitely nicer than the other Husqvarna I use with the manual trigger controls. It's really just so much easier to not even worry about that and just move it around where you want to go. Comment down below if this was helpful at all. If you would consider subscribing, that would be awesome. I would really appreciate it. Just head down below, hit that button, bell notifications, new videos every Friday. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time on Break Free Homestead.